All right, guys, so it has been a while, but I am back. I have a very small Temu haul for you, and it's all miniatures. The stuff is so cute, and I just cannot wait to show you. And I do have one thing that I didn't get from Temu, and you know what? Maybe I'll show that first. It is actually from the Dollar Tree, so run, 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 do not walk. There's this tiny little swimming pool. Now, it shows this big old Barbie in this tiny little swimming pool. But this is definitely better for a smaller, like dollhouse or miniature project. You can make it into an in-ground pool, or obviously you can just keep it as an above ground pool, but it's definitely, smaller. Here's my hand, and you can see the picture. The Barbie in there is just way too big for it. But it was the only one that I found. They had the little jet ski, and then they had some like playground toys and stuff, but this was the only pool that they had. So definitely, keep an eye out at your Dollar Trees because this is going to be so cute to add to any miniature that you have. All right, so that's from the Dollar Tree and on to the Temu things. So the first thing that I got was this cool little bookshelf. They have different colors. They had, I think, a black one and maybe a wood one or like a cherry wood. I just decided to get the white one, and then if I want to change the color, I can. I have the perfect size books to fit on the shelves, so I cannot wait to put this in my dollhouse. I think it's going to fit perfectly either in my living room or in one of the bedrooms. I'm not sure which room it's going to go in yet, but I think it's going to be cute. So I got that. And then I got this cute little set that's going to go either in my craft room or my office, just kind of depending on how things work out. So it's got the cute little cutting mat with all the measurements and whatnot. And then you've got all your little tools here. So you've got all these little accessories in here. I'm not going to take them all out because you can see it's just, oops. Uh-oh, I dropped it. Oh, well. Just a bunch of rulers and stuff. And then you've got what is this? I don't even know what that's called. I forgot. I looked it up and then I forgot. Okay, so, and then here you have all your little rulers and stuff. So I got that. I thought that was adorable. Then okay, so this was a disappointment. It's just one, one can of Del Monte, what's this, fruit cocktail. I mean, it's cute, but you only get one, and I think it was like $2 for the one. So, uh, was it worth it? I don't know. I thought it was going to be four of them. I guess I didn't really read the description, but it's okay. It's cute and whatever. Then I got this cute little like dish rack. They had a silver one, but they didn't have the silver in stock. And I'm not really a fan of gold, but I'll spray paint this either white or silver or black, depending on what color my kitchen ends up being. I'm having a hard time kind of getting my kitchen together. I want to like purchase the kitchen furniture, but then I want to make it. I don't know. I haven't decided, so just getting a few accessories here and there. So I got this one, and like I said, I prefer silver, but they didn't have it at the time, so I don't know if it's back in stock or not. But I got that one. Then I got these two faucets. They're silver and gold, and they're like plastic, but they're a little bit big for a kitchen sink, in my opinion. I think it'd probably be better suited for like a tub. Um, but I mean, I don't know. It depends on how big I make the kitchen sink. So you've got those two, and I'll probably spray paint this one silver or black again, depending on what I do in my kitchen. And the next thing, oh, this one was so cute, guys. I don't know if any of you guys had these growing up, but we had these little clocks on the wall mostly in our kitchens. Is this like a film? I think there's a film over it. There's a film on it, but I can't, wait, is this it? can't seem to get it off right now. It's actually black. So, let me fix my camera there. Okay. But there's like a little film on it and I can't, there it is. I'm sorry, I'm trying to show you what it actually looks like, not what it looks like with this weird film on it. There we go. So we had a clock very similar to this one. The tail used to go back and forth as the seconds. I just thought this was cute and it just kind of reminded me of my childhood. So probably just have to put some like tape or one of them little glue dots to put it up on the wall. But I love that. So I got that. What's next here? Then I got these little storage. They kind of look like Pyrex, but they are just plastic. And then they have the lids to go with them. I just thought this was super cute. Let me open this up here. Super cute to include like in a kitchen cabinet or a kitchen drawer or just your kitchen in general. So I got these and I just think they're super cute. Or your fridge, you know, they can be storage in your fridge. Now they do have these little pieces that kind of poke out. I usually just take some sandpaper or nail file and just file them down. Just, you know, that's where they're connected on like when they get printed out or whatever. So I just get a piece of, like I said, sandpaper or nail file and just smooth it out and it's just fine. I got plates and stuff that had the same thing on them and I just, like I said, they smooth out fairly easily. Now this one, it is a Dutch oven and I was kind of upset because when it got to me, the little like top to it was broken off. It's not a big deal, pretty easy fix. It is pretty heavy. It does feel like a little miniature Dutch oven. And they did give me a refund for it and they didn't make me return it. It was like this one time no return thing. So I got my refund and I was able to keep this one and I'll just, you know, get some super glue and glue it. It's not a huge deal, but just kind of disappointing that it was broken, but super cute and I just love it. So, and I do have a Dutch oven, very similar except mine is beige. So I thought that was cute. And then, sorry, I'm like bending over the camera and it's hurting my back. So then I got this little tabletop like stove because again, I don't know what I'm doing in my kitchen yet. So I wanted to have some pieces just to kind of, you know, have to figure out what I'm going to do. And it's super cute. So the little, you know, the burners come off or the grates come off and it has little fake knobs on there. So super cute. It's only 2. You can obviously get another set if you wanted to do 4, but I thought this would be cute to kind of, like I said, just have. And then, let me see. They fit on there. Fits on there perfect. Oops, can you see? Here we go. So yeah, perfect size. Everything kind of fits on there. So that's cute. Just kind of throwing everything off to the side there. And then, that's not part of it. What else is in here? Oh, the little spoon. Okay, so then I got this, I believe it's a rice cooker, if I'm not mistaken. The lid comes off. And it came with this little like spoon. I don't know if it's supposed to be like, that light is too bright. Let me see. Well, let's see. So it has like this little, I guess it's supposed to be like a slotted spoon, but it just kind of feels rough. But yeah, so came with that. It seems a little bit big for that piece, but it's still cute. And I got like this, it says blue, but it's kind of like a mint green, like a very dulled out mint green, which is kind of the color that I want in my actual kitchen. But I just got it because I like it. And then I found the coffee maker, and again, the coffee maker was broken too, but very, very, you know, easy fix. I just had to put some glue around there. Oopsie. So, oops, sorry. It's cute because the little coffee pot does open up and it goes in there and it's super cute. I love it. So, yeah, so it matches the, I don't know, is it a rice cooker, pressure cooker, whatever it is. It does match. It's basically the same color. You can't really tell. It's a little bit off, but you can't even tell. And then The last thing I did not buy, but my aunt bought for one of my kids, and I just thought it was super cute. It is I think it's like an AirPod little thing holder. Um, because it does have like the little keychain part to it. But I thought this would just be a super cute little purse to put in a closet or whatnot. It is kind of big. It's more of a Barbie size. Most of my things, I think, are 1/12 scale. And this is, like I said, just a Barbie, which I believe is like 1/6 scale, if I'm not mistaken. So it is a little bit bigger, but she bought this one and she bought a teal one for my other daughter. And I just thought they were super cute. And I was like, oh my gosh, these would be perfect for a dollhouse. So all this stuff is from Temu. I do have a link for my Temu in case you're interested with a code. So you can definitely use that, obviously, if you want to, no pressure. But yeah, so that is everything that I got, and I'm hoping to really get started. I had some some more things come up, so I haven't been able to really work on anything in my dollhouses. But prayerfully, here soon I'll be able to get started. But that's it, guys. So if you see anything that you like, be sure to check it out and be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, follow, do all the things, and I will be back soon. Until next time, guys, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.